Hey guys, it's me Lily, and this week's CMON 7 Crystal Kids is Strange Day. Let's get started. That was weird. Okay. I am just going to I do not know what I'm going to do. I'm just going to do something. Do you know what? I think that I'm gonna make up my story. But how am I gonna make a story? I know. How about I just read a book? That might be easy. Yeah, but what book? Hard. I know. I'm just gonna get a book and then I'll read it. How about I read this one? Guess I'm gonna have to read this one. Okay, now I'm going to set this down here, and now I am going to make the and now I'm gonna read. Now I'm gonna read. Do you know what? I think I'm going to be done reading. Now, since I'm done reading, what should I do now? Hey! I know! I'm just going to look at some of my baby pictures. Who doesn't like looking at baby pictures? Hey guys, hang on guys, I'm going to be right back.
The whole reason that the check's found, by the way?
Now I'm just going to be taking this on now I'm just going to be looking at it.
That's the reason that she gives.
Hey Daddy, you can't come. I'm making a video. Do you know what? I think I'm not going to look at my baby pictures. Yeah. Bye, guys.